Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to make a burger with Play-Doughs. Now I'll make the hamburger. Okay, the yellow goes right here, the light brown goes right here, and the dark brown, red, and the green. Now I'll start to make the burger. Take all the pieces out of it. Empty. Now I'm going to make it light brown, green, red, yellow, dark brown, and light brown again. My hamburger's ready. Delicious hamburger. Now make the french fries. I put yellow Play-Doh and I put a spoon and I'm going to press it. Yummy hamburger and yummy french fries is ready. Yummy ice cream with Play-Doh. My color, it's blue baby pretend Play-Doh ice cream. I put the ice cream on. Now I'm putting my blueberry Play-Doh ice cream. You see it. My color ice cream is coming. Look at that ice cream. Ice cream is made. Now my Play-Doh shapes. How do you like these shapes? Think. What we made? Say strawberry, bird, a butterfly, a flower, a dolphin, and a cloud. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the show. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. See you next time.